Want to learn how to automate data entry in Salesforce and save time with powerful tools? You're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to streamline your data entry processes, improve efficiency, and boost productivity in Salesforce. Stick around till the end, because I'll also show you how to get access to a free trial of the software that makes all this possible. Now, let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to know is that automating data entry in Salesforce is all about reducing the manual tasks that slow you down. You can do this using tools like Process Builder, which allows you to automate workflows with just a few clicks. This tool lets you set triggers that perform actions such as creating tasks or updating fields based on the data entered. You can automate routine tasks that would otherwise take a lot of time. Next, you have the option to use Flow, which is a more advanced tool in Salesforce. With Flow, you can create custom automation that guides users through specific processes, updates multiple records at once, and can even pull in data from outside systems. Flow is ideal if you're looking to build sophisticated automation that will handle more complex tasks, all without writing code. The third thing to consider is integrating third-party apps. Many businesses use additional tools to manage their customer data, and Salesforce allows you to automate data entry from these apps using integrations. With tools like Zapier or MuleSoft, you can connect Salesforce with your other systems and sync data automatically. This means when a new lead is entered into your CRM, the data flows seamlessly between your tools without the need for manual entry. Now, let's talk about using data import wizards. Salesforce has built-in features like the Data Import Wizard, which makes it easy to import large sets of data into the platform. You can set up scheduled imports, so the data is added automatically at regular intervals, which saves you a lot of time and ensures your records are always up to date. The fifth thing is using custom Apex code. If you have specific needs that out-of-the-box tools can't handle, you can automate data entry with Apex triggers. This approach allows developers to write custom code that can automate data updates, field population, and even error handling, based on your unique business requirements. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that you can get access to the software I'm talking about completely free from the first link below. If you're serious about automating data entry in Salesforce and want to take full advantage of these tools, you don't want to miss out on the exclusive bonuses available to you today. So, as we've covered, automating data entry in Salesforce is all about making use of Process Builder, Flow, integrations, data import wizards, and custom Apex code. Each of these tools can help save your team valuable time, reduce errors, and make sure that you're focusing on growing your business rather than managing data manually. Remember, the link below gives you an extended free trial to all the Salesforce features we mentioned today, so check it out before it's too late.